Basic back extension works and strengthens the back muscles and also helps develop abdominal and scapular control. We're going to start on your stomach, legs together. Your spine should be in a neutral but straight position. Hands are by your side. Think about your toes pointing toward the opposite wall, and your fingertips are going to point to the opposite wall. And your hands and arms are pulled in tight against your body. You're going to be looking straight down. Your head and spine should stay in the same line of position. We're going to go from here. You're going to raise your upper body as your arms come out into a T. When you come up, really think about your scapular muscles pulling you up. All right, here we go. Inhale, exhale it up. On the up, tighten those glutes, reach those toes for the wall. Also think about a string pulling your head to the opposite wall. And back in, squeeze those arms in, and up. Think about your navel pulling into your back. Scapular muscles pull you up. Reach that head. Exhale it up. Don't forget to keep those glutes nice and tight. Good. Should really feel those upper back muscles working. Reach those toes. Good. One more. Keep those abs nice and tight. Hold in. Good. Great job. You should really feel that back getting strong already.